Nevada's first choice for news. This is Channel 8 News Now at 5.
Good evening and thanks for joining us. Casinos on the Las Vegas Strip are still suffering, and economists say it's going to cost more jobs.
3 major casino companies reported declines in their third quarter earnings. Wynn Resorts saw a $51 million decline in its net income from the second quarter. Boyd Gaming reported a loss of $6.5 million. And Harrah's Entertainment saw third quarter losses of $1.6 billion. But most of that is attributed, they say, to a drop in the value of the company's assets. We wondered if the losses will push the Las Vegas unemployment rate higher. Channel 8's Edward Lawrence talked to a casino owner about what to expect. He joins us live from the Strip. Edward.
It's only fitting that it's a gloomy day here in Las Vegas. Now, these declines show that fewer people are coming to Las Vegas and spending less. Now, of the companies reporting, Wynn actually had big losses here in Las Vegas, but those were offset by wins in the VIP market in Macau. Still, every casino on this street is suffering. Everywhere you turn, the resort industry offers deals to attract tourists. It's a sign that we're still in a deep recession. No one is immune.
We're off about 25% from what we used to do, and we, of course, don't have much debt, so we're in pretty good shape there.
Phil Ruffin took over as owner of Treasure Island last April. He bought the casino with basically all cash. Ruffin may be in the best position to handle the recession, but his resort budget is still taking a huge hit.
We're going to do very little hiring, and we're just going to, try to ride this thing out. And but I don't see any big uptick in 10.
One thing Ruffin does see is more visitors to Las Vegas spending more in 2011. Local economist John Restrepo is a little more optimistic. For him, new jobs late next year will indicate an end to the economic crisis.
Until we see 6 months of steady job growth, and we don't see the start of that process till the end of 2010, early 2011.
Continued drop in earnings tells Restrepo and other economists to expect more job losses before the end of this year. Ruffin says casinos must offer new venues and events to keep guests interested.
We're doing a fight, and we're starting to bring in some headliners. We brought in Bill Cosby, Leanne Rimes, Carlos Mencia, and these are good things for the property.
This month, Steve Wynn announced a new headliner, Garth Brooks. His resort received 141,000 calls for tickets so far.
And people will come to Las Vegas who perhaps hadn't planned to visit because he's here.
Don't give up hope. We're going to be fine. We're going to be fine. And City Center is going to help.
And Phil Ruffin mentioned City Center that opens at the end of this year, and that's a double-edged sword. In the short term, he believes that it will actually take some guests from the local casinos and in this economy. That's not what anyone needs here on Las Vegas Boulevard. However, Phil Ruffin believes in the long term it will draw new people to Las Vegas to see City Center, and that's exactly what long term the Las Vegas market needs. Reporting live, Edward Lawrence, Channel 8 News Now.